Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Arabian Dreams. Today I'm gonna make pepper chicken. Let's first check out the ingredients. We need 2 large onions roughly chopped, 1 large tomato, 3 green chillies and a handful of coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 2 cinnamon sticks, 3 cardamom and cloves, 3 dry red chillies, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 800 grams of chicken pieces, 2 teaspoon of pepper powder and coriander powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil and salt according to your taste. Now let's get started. Take a pressure cooker on a medium flame. Add about 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil. Now add the fennel seeds, cinnamon sticks, cardamom and cloves into the oil. Once you get the aroma of the dry ingredients, then add the dried red chillies to it. Here I am only adding 3 red chillies. If you want it more spicy, you can add 2 more red chillies to it. And then add the chopped onions and saute it well until the color changes to the golden brown. Once the onion has changed to golden brown color, add the ginger garlic paste into it and mix it well until the raw smell of ginger garlic paste is gone. Now add about half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 2 teaspoons of pepper and coriander powder, and give it a quick mix. Now add the chopped tomatoes and green chilies and mix it well. Add salt according to your taste. Now add the chicken pieces and mix it well. Now add about half a cup of water and give it a quick mix. Now close the pressure cooker and leave it until you get 1 whistle. Now our pepper chicken is completely done. Our pepper chicken is ready to be served. Hope you all like my video. Please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get more updates on my videos. Ingredients are given in the description box below. Do check it out. Thank you all for watching.